to align your camera to view before rendering, I'm going to show you 2 or 3 ways to do it. The first one is an easy one. You just come to this camera here, and then when you press this, it locates where it gives you like you are looking through the camera. Yeah, and then what you have to do is that if you want that, if you move your object, the camera moves with it, you have to do another step. You have to go to N on your keyboard and go to view, and then you come here and press lock to object, and then we are locking to camera to view. So when you lock it to view, let's close this. Now you can, if you just use your middle mouse, you can move your object, adjust your object in the way that you want, or your scene the way you want it to be seen. And then as well, if you go to shift and your middle mouse, you can go up and down, can also go left and right. So wherever you want, you can adjust it and place it. Now I will go out of here and show you another way you can do it. The next way you can do it is just pressing Control Alt and numpad 0 on your keyboard. If you press these 3 things, what you can do is you can easily, if you go, you can as well use your middle mouse and move around like this. And then if you go to shift and with your middle mouse, you can go up and down and left and right. If you don't want to, if you just want this one here that I did, that it just shows you the camera, you can just press 0 on your numpad and it will give you that. But then if you want it to follow it, you have to go through the process of opening here and taking the camera to view for you to be able to pan around. I hope this helped you. If it did, please subscribe to my channel or give this video a like. Thank you. Bye.